In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your online store with categories and add products to those categories, which is key to not only providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers, but also ensuring that your site is easy to navigate. Let's get started by creating a new category on your site. First, you'll want to head over to your site's dashboard. This area is essentially the command center of your site, where all aspects of your store management happen. Once you're there, look for the Categories section. This is typically located in the sidebar, but it could vary depending on the setup of your site. Click on Categories to start the process. Now that you're in the Categories section, you should see a button labeled plus New Category at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click this button. This will take you to a new form where you can input the details of your category. Here, you'll need to come up with a meaningful and easy to understand category name. Let's say you're organizing clothing items. You might type in men, women, or whatever category name is relevant to your store's offerings. Next, you'll see a space for your category description. This is your chance to give a brief explanation of what this category includes. Take a moment to think about what will help your customers understand what they'll find here, but try to keep it concise. Once you've entered your category name and description, you can proceed to save or submit this form, and voila, you've created a new category on your site. Now, you have this new category set up, but it's time to populate it with products to make it functional and useful. To do this, you'll once again need to navigate back to the category you've just created. Within the category, spot the option that says plus Add Products, which is usually located under a section called Products in Category. Clicking on this will allow you to add products to your new category. Now, a list of your existing products should appear. Carefully select the products that rightfully belong in this category by ticking the boxes next to their names. Be thoughtful in your selection to ensure that the items you add truly align with the category's theme. Once you're satisfied with your selections, simply click the Add button. This action will move those products into the category you just created. And there you have it. You've successfully organized your store by setting up categories and populating them with relevant products. Not only does this streamline the shopping experience for your customers, but it also helps keep your store neat and organized, making for easy management as your product assortment grows. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through this important aspect of managing your online store. Enjoy categorizing and happy selling.